The choreography will start from the basic side step like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the locking rhythm. Alright. Now you have to add this clap moment to catch the beats. Alright. It will be same 8 count. 8 plus 8, 16 time. Alright. Then add this step. Just kick and twist, kick and twist. And these steps counting will be 12 time. Alright. From the top counting will be 8, 8 and 12. Alright. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Alright. Now from here you have to just slide back like this and add the pace element like this and pace, and count will be 4, 5. Alright. Then it will be 6 and 7. Just cross your leg and lean your upper body side to side like this and add the trill movement like this. Alright. From here just add pace, trill, trill. Alright. Now from the top one more time: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. We finished here. 6, 7. Now from here your right leg, take your right leg together with reverse twirl. Alright, like this. We finished here. Now do this. Then do lock. The counting will be 1, 2. Alright. We finished here. Now 1, 2. Now from here your right leg goes backwards and take same leg upwards like this. Just lift. With back hit your thighs, with front do point. Hit, hit, point. Alright. One more time from here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now from here just add Scooby hop step like this. Swing your leg and jump and switch your leg like this. Right to left and right. Alright. 1 and 2 like this. After that just clap. It looks like this from here. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. After that just take your leg backwards, look back and look front. 7, 8. Now from here 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now from here just point with your left hand, point with your right hand and bend down Count will be this: 1, 2, and look here and there. Then add kick, ball, chain step like this: 3 and 4, 3 and 4, and add the clap movement like this. Now from here, take your left leg back together and left front. This is the time step half version. From here, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. With 5 and 6, add pace, pace. Now from here, do the twist step with both sides leg like this: twist and twist. From here, and just add point and point and go down, point and add twist moment like this. Alright, 1, 2. From here, one more time: 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Alright, now we finished here: 7 and 8, 7 and 8. Now take your right leg front, side with hand movements like this: open and cross. Then do twirl and down. With twirl, add the hip twist like this. We can also call rock steady. Alright, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, then just go down on your right knee and do this step. One more time, and add twirl and roll and clap down like this, and your second leg will stretch. After that, then take your both leg together like this, take your both hands on your thighs and just jump like this. Alright, one more time. From here, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, now from here, just jump, take your both leg together, do up lock and down lock, and just add camel walk 2 times, kick and do jazz split if you can. One more time. From here, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Alright, now from the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Do with right leg when you lock. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. If you can do, then you can finish the choreography with this step. Do just split and get up quickly like this. That's it. Now we will do little fast on the count.
7 go 2 2 2 4 5 6 8 1 2 4 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 and 2 3 and 4 5 and 6 7 and 8 1 and 2 3 and 4 5 and 6 7 and 8 1 and 2 3 and 4 5 and 6 7 and 8 1 and 2 3 and 4 5 and 6 7 and 8 and right.